Hockey 605, we caught up with the dapper forward for the Sioux Falls Flyers, Zach Heinz. Loving that bow tie, Zach.
Thank you, I do too.
Looking good. Now, you guys, senior night, what's going through your mind thinking back on all your years of playing hockey?
Well, this is a really big game for us. It's like a must-win, you know. The season's coming to an end. Got to make the most of it. Got to play hard, leave everything out there, and do your best.
Yeah. Now, how long have you been playing?
I've been playing since the 3rd grade, so 11 or 12 years.
And probably been skating with most of the same guys you're still on the same team with, right?
Yeah, for the most part. There's been a couple newbies, but yeah, for the most part, yeah.
Do you remember why you first started playing?
It was at a Stampede game, actually. Between the intermissions, like the squirt players were playing out at a game, and I was like, Dad, I want to do that. So signed up for it, and I loved it.
Dad said fine. Now, what about your mom? Is your mom play hockey?
No one plays hockey in my family besides me and my brother, but my brother's a rec player, and my cousin started to play too down in Yankton as well, so I kind of guess I'm the one that kind of started that whole philosophy.
It's a great sport, easy to fall in love with. I always like to tease the hockey moms. I said, if you don't play hockey, we can't call you a hockey mom.
Yeah, it's crazy. My neighbor gave me this stick, and that was my first one, so I've been playing ever since then.
So what does the future hold for you after graduation?
I got accepted to SDSU and MSU in Mankato, but I still haven't really decided on a major yet, but it's still kind of up in the air.
Two great schools you have a choice of. Do you think you'll still continue to play?
I'd like to, yeah. Might try out, you know, why not? See where that goes.
Well, and there's a club program over at SDSU, and I'm sure at MSU you can find some hockey somewhere, right?
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Well, tonight is an important night for you guys, obviously, getting everybody all together. From looking back on your years of playing hockey, what's your favorite part about the whole experience?
It's just like all the energy and stuff. Like the really big games like this one, it's all the energy of like the fans and stuff, just coming out and watching and keeping them on their seats, you know.
Is that important to you to have your family and friends come watch play?
Oh yeah, it takes a huge part in that.
Well, we're going to be live streaming the game tonight on Hockey 605, so if there are family and friends that aren't here, you be sure and let them know so they can watch on Hockey 605.
For sure, yeah.
All right, Zach, thanks for taking time with us at Hockey 605. Good luck tonight. The rest of got a couple more games left, and we'll see you at state tournament.
Thank you.